Let me show you a simple, quick way to set a sleep timer on your iPhone, making sure that any music or podcast that you're listening to will fade out and turn off as you go to sleep. The first thing that you want to do is you want to get what you're listening to started. This could be something inside of the music app, like an album or a playlist, or it can be inside of your podcast app and listening to a series of podcasts. Again, all you need to do is just get what you want to listen to playing. Next, once the audio is playing, head back to your home screen and then find and open the clock app. Inside of here, make sure you tap timers on the bottom right of the screen. After that, inside of here, use the dial and turn it to how long you want the sleep timer to last. Say you want to set it to 30 minutes or even a couple of hours. Now before you hit start, you need to change one other setting. Here where it says when timer ends, it's probably going to be set to a default ringtone. Tap this selection, and then inside of here, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see stop playing. Choose this and then hit set on the top right of the screen. Once you have that set, go ahead and hit start and your music is going to keep playing, but you'll now see that there's a timer counting down, and when that ends, your music is going to stop playing. After that, just go ahead and close the clock app. You can then continue using your phone, or if you're ready to go to sleep, you can just simply lock your screen. As the timer hits 0, your music or podcast or whatever you were listening to will automatically stop. And that's how you set up a sleep timer on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.